Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kita kembali lagi buat video World War II. Kali ini kita lanjutin lagi gamenya, semakin seru banget pokoknya dah. Oke, kita lanjut lagi ya di campaign. Part 2 kemarin tuh The Day ya. Oke, kita lanjut yang part 2. Soalnya kemarin tuh filenya sempat hilang ya. Jadi maaf cuma 15 menit videonya. Ya udahlah, begitulah nih. Semoga aja nggak hilang ya.
To break out of Normandy, we're pushing inland to secure Marigny. That's how we'll control the roadways and plow across France to Paris. Liberation's coming soon.
Ternyata recordnya tuh cuma bisa 15 menit doang di PlayStation. Jadi harus ini recordnya harus pisah. Jadi aku pisah jadi 2 gitu. Oke, nggak usah lama-lama ya. Langsung aja kita start mission. Select difficulty regular. Oke, mantap. Gas terus.
And fellas, I'd say we're doing pretty good. Not good enough for Pearson. Maybe I'll get home by Christmas with a couple medals.
Pada ngumpul nih.
First, we gotta take Marigny.
Schmeling, where's LaMotta? Schmeling would have KO'd LaMotta. No way.
Schmeling's a Nazi. I'd shoot him in a heartbeat.
Now they made him their poster boy. That guy didn't have a choice.
We all got a choice.
You know, Nietzsche said there was only... that's enough mouth. All right. What about Lewis versus Sugar Ray Robinson?
We're talking 1938. Lewis Robinson wins hands down.
Hey, look who came back for more.
Udah sembuh ya Zasmannya yang kemarin. Kalau kalian tahu dari YouTuber lain mungkin, atau kalian main sendiri game ini, Zasmannya kemarin tuh ketusuk oleh tentara Nazi. Nah kan, bekas lukanya itu sakit pasti.
Good to be back, sir. All right, fellas. We got a unique opportunity here.
Sergeant apa ya?
Won't be easy.
Pokoknya atasan kita dah.
Metros are heavily defended. We got reports of crowd armor in the area. But if we can hold, secure Marigny, we own the roadways. If Zussman can take a knife in the gut and come out swinging, I like our odds just fine.
Always bet on a winner, sir.
Semangat nih. Ini semangat
Chosen us
nih.
as his noble calling.
Let's move.
Walaupun
War
masih
just has a
luka
habit
ya,
of getting in the way.
udah mau ikut aja perang. Operation Cobra. Punya pistol sama punya tembak. Kita naik tank. Ya naik.
You know, a wound like this takes 8 weeks to heal.
I'm ready,
Tapi
Sergeant.
kalau gitu seperti itu
Oh, your word.
butuh 8 minggu buat sembuh. Au.
Just fine and dandy, sir.
Aduh, sakit pasti itu.
You got guts, brother. I just don't want to see it.
Sakit itu. Sakitan dia.
Hang on tight, boys. It's gonna get rough.
Kita naik
What
tank ya.
else is new? I think Pearson likes you.
Aduh,
Like
mana
a lion
perizinan?
licks a steak.
Nah, apa sensitivitas?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Looks like you're holding up all right.
How about yourself?
Good let you guys have all the fun.
Fun's not allowed under Pearson. You know why he's always writing you? Kasserine Pass. Lost my best
Peres ya.
Yeah, wrote him in Article 15 in a demotion.
Dia
He had
penembak.
to be a hard ass.
Supaya
His men
tank
paid
ini
the price. Mission
Peres.
Flubar. Massacre. Nazis had no mercy. No, we only survived because they didn't have time to seal the western exit. Almost lost everything thanks to that son of a bitch. Turner still ain't over it. Matter of fact, he was the one who wrote him up.
Buruk banget ini.
Pearson figures if he makes you a model platoon.
Apa dari TV
Only where's
aja
all the
nih,
scrubbing?
yang jelek,
Now you're getting it. It's why he's
yang
never
kurang
gonna give up.
mendukung.
He'd
Ya
kill to
kan?
have it removed.
Jadi
You know what I kill for? Decent grub. You just had supper. Hey, shit on the shingles on.
kalau suara double maaf ya.
Hey, how about barbecue?
Soalnya aku nggak pakai headset nih mainnya. Lihat tuh korban para tentara Jerman.
That's somebody's son.
It's a crowd.
Daniels is right. Not all bad.
They did give us Kepler, Mozart.
Sadis banget ya namanya perang zaman dulu tuh.
Don't forget about their inventions. You got the printing press, electron
Pada berani
microscope.
banget.
Frankfurters.
Apalagi yang kayak Daniel Gasman
Wait, wait, Stukas, inbound.
Ya.
Get out of that.
Aduh. Kita diserang. Turun. Ada pesawat ya, pesawat
Get
musuh
off
ya.
the road. We'll circle around. Move. That's flak fire in the distance.
Kita
We're gonna
rally,
capture one of their AA guns.
kita
Bring
gabung
down
sama
those
Turner ya.
Stukas. MG's in the barn.
Bridge di guys. Aduh. Oke, headshot. Aduh, aimnya susah banget di stick ya, pakai stick susah banget aimnya. Oke, headshot. Mati. Lagi. Mati. Satu lagi. Jendela. Aduh, susah banget nih aimnya. Parah, sumpah. Udah licin banget. Ayo. Mana lagi. Tapi mati. Ada lagi. Mati. Aduh, situ ada, Pak. Di situ ada. Oh. Wait. Kok pakai pistol? Jangan pakai pistol lah. Oke, headshot. Di atas banyak. Grenade. Masuk gak tuh granatnya? Oh, masuk. Agak masuk ya. Mana sih lu? Maju aja ya. Kalau nggak maju nggak kelar soalnya. Kita pakai SMG. Push. Nah, kita maju kita plan. Nice. Ayo masuk. Au. Sakit. Maju terus. Astagfirullahaladzim. Sakit. Sir. Pak, karena kemana Pak? Udah minta first aid dulu kita. First aid. Ini atasan kita mana ya Bro? Oke. Langsung. Sabar.
Move it to the second floor.
Lagi. Di belakang
Push it to the
ternyata.
field. We need to rally with our tanks.
Di belakang. Oke.
Spread out.
Aman nih.
Lob it a grenade.
Granat.
Push him back.
Granat.
out.
Granat. Pakai granat. Terkena aku. Oh, amo. Pak, amo.
Get after them. Come on, they're on the run. Keep pushing.
Sir. Turner. Amo. I need ammo. Okay, nice. Thank you, sir. Nembak gak kena anak. Oke. Dia surrender. Dia nyerah. Rani lu macam-macam. Todong. Ayo. Lah. Sis. Tahu. Oke. Tengah. Kita plan. Oke, nice. Mana lagi? Ada lagi nggak? Nggak ada. Mantap. Nggak ada lagi. Peluruku cepet banget habisnya. Nggak ada masih. First aid. Oke dulu first aid. Habis itu kita minta lagi. Nice. Itu caranya. Itu dong. Dikit ini. Mana lagi. Nggak ada. Clear.
Get on that flak gun and take out those
Ayo,
Stukas.
kita naik EE gun ya.
Those bombers are killing our armor. You gotta take them
Oke,
down.
udah
Here
10
they
menit,
come.
10 menit. Ayo, oke.
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock mana? Oke. Nggak.
Direct
Oke.
hit.
Aduh, saya cepet sekali.
Got one. Target destroyed.
Mana lagi?
Guy on the radio sounds
Mana lagi?
pissed. Crowds don't know what's happening.
Boy coming in.
Mana?
2 o'clock.
Oh, sini. Oke, satu lagi.
Direct hit. Nice shot, Daniel.
Lagi, ada lagi.
They're on to us.
Stukas attacking our position.
Mana? Oh, ini.
Got one.
Gitu. Tembak terus. Nice. Itu dua lagi. Ada lagi dua lagi. Oke. Itu.
It's going down.
Mana lagi? Ada
Straight
lagi?
ahead.
Ada lagi nggak? Oh ini 3 orang. 3 pesawat.
Got one. That's all you got.
Not yet. 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. 8. Oke, mereka banyak banget pesawat. Gak kena loh.
1 o'clock high.
Oke, terlalu banyak. Udah kan? Oh, belum.
On top.
Belum. Oh, tiga. Udah. Bisa satu
That's
ya.
all of them.
Oke,
Good job, Daniels.
udah kelar. Kelar. Oke, kita lanjut lagi ya, supaya filenya nggak hilang. Biasanya kalau aku bikin itu hilang tuh filenya tuh, nggak tahu kemana tuh. Kayaknya nggak record. Beres. Maaf, bencet.
Pearson, take a fire team through the orchard and find an overwatch position. After you soften up the packs, I'll lead the main assault with Perez.
Yes, sir. Sussman, you're with me. Come on.
Oke, kita sama Pearson ya. Ya, amoku tinggal 20 pak, nggak ada ammo lagi. Padahal senjatanya enak banget. Oke, kita ke vantage point ya. Oh, ada ammo, nice. Ada ammo. Nah, kayaknya bakal perang besar nih di sini nih. Kok juga lupa inget. Katanya si Miao Ok main ini ya.
Wish I would have gotten to that flak gun sooner.
Katanya, aku juga belum lihat. Ntar coba aku lihat deh. Oke, ini Pearson. Oh, kita ngeplank.
Get out your binoculars.
Oke, itu Perez, teman kita ya. Oke, seperti itu musuhnya banyak. Oke.
Everyone open fire.
Open fire. Ada ini. Sniper, nice. Headshot. Headshot lagi. Nice. Set. Aku mau server baik dulu.
Mark off the rest of the cross in the
Nice. Lagi kedua ngapain gitu. Oke, terus tembak terus. Nice. Dua lagi. Nice. One shot, one kill. Reloading. Bar. Ayo enak banget nih, satisfying banget. Awas Pak, ya ampun, atasan kita ngalamin dong. Astaga. Ayo, oke, aku cover dari atas, satu lagi. Clear kah? Clear. Oke, kita turun. Tadi ada ammo nih, kalau tadi ada ammo. Oke. Ini dia ada ammo untuk sniper kita.
Another enemy position just past the hedges. Fall in behind the tanks. Everyone fall in.
Stack up behind the tanks. Oke.
Let's put these rhinos
Kita harus
to good use.
berlindung di balik tank ya. Oke, maju. Oke, maju. Ya, aku pakai sniper. Nice. Down. Lagi nih kan kiri. Down. Stack up behind the tank. Ini yang pakai lagi nih. Enggak ada. Nice. Mana lagi. Nice. Great shot. Mana juga ngomong aja bahasa Inggris kagak ada bener-bener ya. Itu nggak kena dong. Pas banget dia duduk. Jongkok. MG. Nice. Stay with the tank. Aku pakai ini. Jarak dekat. Clear. Ceasefire itu apa ya maksudnya? Tanknya naik. Wah, mereka lari. Aduh, goyang. Hati-hati. Mereka lari dong. Ada air support. Mereka punya air support. Aduh. Reach sniping position. Oke. Kita harus cari posisi buat sniper ya. Awas, totak lu. Oke, nice. Nice aim. Oke. Nice. Oh, mana lagi? Oh, di atas. Ya. Oh, mati. Dari mana? Astaga, sakit. Grenade out. Grenade mantul. Astaga, granatnya mantul teman-teman. Saya mati. Astagfirullahaladzim. Ya ampun, mati sama granat sendiri tuh. Kayak gina banget ya. Kelihatan banget aku cukup main ginian. Kebanyakan main FF sih, lo tau gak? Kayak apa? Auto aim FF. Oh, di atas. Lupa di atas. Ayo, bisa. Udah siap pakai sniper. Mana? Nice. Ada lagi gak? Oh, di atas banyak. Ini dia. Pada kebakar kan. Ada tong di situ. Tong apa? Drum. Reach sniping position. Oke, aku ke atas. Oke, kita harus pakai sniper. Dar. MG. Nice. Mana lagi? Oke, di situ. Bar. One shot, one kill nih. Enggak kena dong. Reload. Oke, di sini. Dar. Clear. All clear. Kita kemana? Oh, regroup your tank. Kita regroup ke tank kita. Zasman. Medkit. Selesai. Terima kasih. Pearson mana? Pak, ini Pak. Teropong Pak. Kelihatan. penglihatan.
Sergeant, call him out!
Kalau mau, lah, oh nggak ada, lah, mereka nembakin aku, walah ini loh, astaga di bawah semua. Oke, clear.
On the floor,
Fritz.
On the floor,
They surrendered.
on the floor, awas lu, ngelawan awas lu. Tembak. Tembak nih. Itu dia tanknya.
Hey, it's Turner. All right.
Oke, kita harus rally on Turner ya. Bergabung lagi dengan Turner. Oke, ini apa ya?
Lieutenant.
Oh, Lieutenant. Turner tuh.
CO approaching.
CEO approaching. Ah, ini David. Paling tinggi jabatannya ya.
All right, listen up. Charlie Company's under assault near the church. They need ammo and fire support. Send a squad immediately.
Sir, we're already stretched pretty thin.
And stretch thinner.
Yes, sir.
Ada yang butuh bantuan ya. Ada yang butuh bantuan di garis depan.
We can take the jeep, so we're gonna need armored support. That's the plan.
Mereka yang di depan itu punya
Follow you with the
butuh
squad. Can't
armor
do it.
support.
Just got orders from Collins. We're heading west with the 11th. God damn it. Those boys are running.
Tanknya nggak bisa ikut karena ada order lain.
Take the jeeps and head out.
Order tuh kayak ada tugas lain.
All right, snap to it. Charlie's up shit creek and we're the paddle. Let's go.
Oke, kita harus menyerang di garis depan itu ya. Let's go. Get to Charlie.
Which way, Marinier?
Follow this road to the next village over.
Nyetirnya yang benar. Kok lambat banget ya? Kok lambat banget mobilnya, Pak? Oke, kita harus nyampe di sana juga. Oh, swing left. Oke, kita balapan sama si Pearson. Nice, kita dua. Gas terus. Ngapain lu Tom? Tabrak. Ada tank. Oh, hati-hati. Oh, mereka dua. Fail mission nih. Jangan sampai fail ya. Oke, mereka melambat. Kita balap. Oke, nice. Udah sampai kan? Oh, belum sampai. Ke kanan, katanya ke kanan. Aduh, kita ditembakin. Waduh. Oke, kita pakai mesin gun yang di belakang. Zasman yang nyetir. Oh, ini mesin. Drivernya dulu. Drivernya bisa mati. Nice, drivernya mati. Nice. Mantap. Depan. Persis. Udah gitu ah. Mereka mundur. Mereka mundur. Bantai terus. Udah sih, kita menang sih harusnya sih. Oke, kita menang ya. Ini berapa menit aku record? BTW. Oh, 24 menit. Nice. Mungkin aku stop di 25 atau 30 lah.
Thank Captain Davis. It was his orders. Okay. It's too late to press on. Looks like you boys got a reprieve.
Excuse me, Sergeant.
Yeah.
Isn't half the crowd army on the other side of those buildings? Shouldn't we find a better place to set up a perimeter?
Lihat ya, semua bangunan
Private, why don't you
hancur.
book us a room at the Ritz?
Sir. He's scared as all.
Why don't you worry about your own problems? Like how that side is gonna hold up tomorrow.
I'm right as rain, Sergeant.
Masih aja diomongin lukanya.
Daniels,
Why don't you watch him? The only thing more dangerous than the enemy is pride.
Rest up,
Rest up, boys.
Oke, kita istirahat ya.
First light.
Kita aksi lagi di pagi hari.
Can't believe I'm fighting alongside
Oke, kelar
He's
juga.
holding up all right, considering we just blasted through miles of hedgerow.
Oke, udah kelar ya. Ini berapa menit?
Pearson might go a little easier on
Berapa menit? 20 menit, pas banget.
You be wrong.
Oke. Jadi segini aja video aku kali ini. Jangan lupa itu di subscribe, di share, di like, share ke teman-teman kalian itu. Pokoknya share ya. Share ke grup kelas, grup game, atau misalkan kalian punya komunitas atau apa, tolong di share ya. Tolong di share biar nih channel nih hidup gitu. Jangan 30 subscriber mulu, biar hidup gitu, biar cepet dapat AdSense gitu. Biar bisa beli nasi padang sendiri. Oke, segini aja dulu episode kali ini. Jangan lupa di subscribe, like, pokoknya itulah ya. Kalian juga udah hafal pasti. Oke, udah lah.